Hi friends, past few days an important information is going around among the insurance circle, especially related to corporate insurance. I want to share some information on this in this video. Shall we go? Welcome to my channel. IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, has notified Gazette information that after pricing, insurance company has given freedom to modify the policy wordings, endorsement, conditions suitable to the need of especially corporate customers' policies. What is this freedom? Let me understand this is related to especially certain wordings of coverages and modifications which can suit to the need of the corporate customers. But according to me, this information, this new change is not going to give a big new impact in the corporate insurance policies. Why? Because I wish to share you a story, a joke rather, which I was told way back 40 years before when I was learning this general insurance. It's like that. Everybody knows this kidney transplantation, heart transplantation, liver transplantation, and so many organ transplantations are freely now going on. Same way, the day will come, brain transplantation also will be happening. So at that time, brain is available for your choice, the patient's choice. So the prices of the brains are kept. Some brain is of costing around 25 lakhs, some is of costing around 15 lakhs, some is costing of around 10 lakhs, and one brain is costing around 1 crore. So what is the reason for this variation in the brain, and especially for that one brain which is costing around 1 crore? So the storekeeper of the brain, he replied, see, all these brains were working as an engineer, as a doctor, as an advocate, as a policeman. So everybody has used the brain, so these brains are costing much cheaper, whereas that one brain, brand new, never used, hence it is 1 crore. Whose brain is that? That is the brain of general manager of general insurance company. Why? Because general insurance company, general manager's brain has never worked. There is nothing to work for it. Why so? It is all copied business. Everything is copied. Every words, every commas, every semicolon, every terms are copied. Copied from where? Copied from London, Lloyd's Re, Swiss Re, Munich Re. So everybody internationally, even in India, they are all so long, so far as copying the policy wordings which has been already set and it has been going on for decades. So insurance by and large in general is a copied business. It's a copied. If you create a company, so and so company, and the terms and conditions you copy, you issue the policy, you are covered. Same thing, you can also come across so many policies, everything is the same covers, but company is different and service is different. And premium is little bit more or less same as far as India is concerned. So in this copied business, nothing has been changed so long. Now just IRDAI has given freedom to Indian insurance companies to modify the wordings of the policies which may suitable to the need of the customer. Is it going to work? Indian insurance companies are always relying on the reinsurance backup. Without reinsurance backup, insurance company cannot able to do the business anywhere in India or anywhere in the world. When the reinsurance policy wordings are still holds good of Lloyd's Re, Swiss Re, Munich Re, and the wordings has never changed, how it is going to be affected, going to be changed in India? I have my own doubt that any insurance company is going to modify and going to do as per the need of the customer. Even if they do as per the need of the customer, which insurance company is going to reinsure your wordings? So there are a lot of unanswered questions will come up for this type of new changes. A big news in the present day insurance market is a big quacks. Over and above, it's confusing, especially corporate insurance renewal policies. IRDAI very well know that almost 80 to 85% of the corporate companies, they make their insurance renewals with the financial year from April to March. So all the policies are to be renewed before 31st March 2024. In this present Gazette notification, this so-called freedom to insurance company modification is effective from 1st April 2024, and that also corporate people, they are thinking that it is going to be benefited in the cost wise. Friends, I wish to tell you, cost wise there is no change going to happen. Already in India, the insurance premium pricing is as per the Insurance Information Bureau of India's guidelines. This is called IIB burn cost rate. It would be funny to know that few years before there was a discount pattern was there, and good claim experienced company used to get 99%, 100% discount, and the premium was charged for earthquake and flood rate only. Afterwards, IRDA has issued a circular, and IIB has also stopped allowing the discount, and GIC reinsurance also not accepting the discount. So the discount was withdrawn, and again the IIB tariff rate has been going on for the past 4 years. Now again, this from 1st April, this type of Gazette notification create a confusion, especially for the corporate insurance renewals, that insurance premium is going to be reduced. It is going to be not to be controlled. Friends, I tell you, insurance pricing is always free in India, always free since 2006 onwards. IIB Insurance Information Bureau rates are indicative. They are indicative. There is no need that your insurance company is to charge that rate. They can charge their own rate. So there is not a big change is expected by this big news of so-called that insurance company has got the freedom to modify their policies. Again, I am telling you, it is like this way. The ready-made shop, our shirts and trousers are available various sizes, 38, 40, 42, 44, 45. According to your body size, you can get it. That's a ready-made, ready to fit in. So that is what still date going on as far as the policy is concerned and the pricing is concerned. Now, the so-called freedom is like a tailor-made shop. Instead of ready-made, you can make your own suit, Armani, Sherwani, anything, whatever you want, according to your choice and need and capacity, and you pay the price for it. As such, the pricing is not under control. The wordings are under control. The wordings of the policy, the endorsement, because this is the way that reinsurance market works. Even now, if you go through the fire policy wordings of Lloyd's Re, Munich Re, everybody the similar choice, similar wordings are there. So there is not going to be a big change in the pricing as well as the wordings and anything. On the contrary, it is confusing, and over and above, I do not know why IRDAI and IIB are regularly releasing so-called such an important circular, especially in the fourth quarter of the financial year, either January or February or now in March. Well, they know that all the major policies are set for renewal on 31st March and premium negotiation has been going on, and at this point of time issuing such a confusing message is, do you think will do good? I don't think this is the right time to issue such a type of circular, such a type of notification informing to the insurance company. 1st April onwards, 2024, insurance companies has freedom to modify the policies, wordings and endorsement terms, conditions to suit the need of the corporate customers. Especially this is applicable for corporate policies. Nothing is going to happen. On the contrary, there is a lot more changes are required in the corporate side. Especially, there are policies, sales turnover policy in the marine insurance. The sanctions are given. The sanctions are given. India is growing fast in their economy. Even we are doing business with Iran. Already is doing very good business with Russia, Ukraine and so many other countries which are all sanctioned countries. Sanctioned countries in the means you should not insure any trade with any insurance trade with those countries. Many African countries, especially Iran and Saudi Arabia and Russia. So, what are we doing for these sanctioned countries when we do business and when we do export and import from these countries? Something is happened. What IRDAI is doing for this type of sanctions? Who is issuing these sanctions? All these sanctions has been done by American reinsurance underwriters. Wherever American reinsurance underwriters have a big market with whom our people also have to go for a reinsurance backup. Where American reinsurance underwriters will always strictly adhere that USA sanction, UN sanction, UK sanction and French sanctions. So once these are all sanctions and it is applicable to us. During my time, I raised my voice to the people. I am going to complain to the finance minister when India is doing business with Iran, Russia, and you people are issuing me the policy with the sanctions. What is this nonsense? And what is this IRDAI is doing of all this type of commercial line of business which stopping us to do business because of non-availability of insurance. So I don't think this insurance changes, which is a big news, going to make any big change in the continuance of the insurance, either in pricing or in the policy. I am okay. Known devil is better than unknown devil, my dear friends. Known devil is better than unknown devil. I am good with this. The very purpose of IRDAI is just control the insurance market, insurance business in India with the proper regulations. And the penetration of Indian insurance is in a very snail space. In 2001, it is 2.7%. In 2023-24, as per Swiss Re, it is expected 3.8, hardly just 1% penetration growth. Took 23 years. Is it the purpose that Malhotra committee has been designed to replace the 4 public sector under General Insurance Corporation and allow the private players, private insurance companies to do the business in India? Just about 1% in 23 years is not at all a real penetration. Something somewhere needs to be done. All this IRDAI and GIC circle, IIB, there is no corporate representation. Without corporate representation, they design on their own circulars and notification and issuing it as if they have done a big thing for the insurance market. In 1995, marine tariff was de-tariffed. The marine business has gone out of tariff. It was a good move that was done during the time of GIC. And in 2000, there was a fire tariff, something was changed, and 2002 onwards, IRDAI has taken up, and previously these are also controlled by Tariff Advisory Committee, TAC of India. Now afterwards, in 2007 or 9, IIB is just doing the tariff of the insurance business, depending on the industry and their occupancies. And that too, if you go to IIB website, the report is not updated after 2019-20. The report of insurance rate of comparatively the claims and insurance, sum insured, and all those things has been done way back in 2019-20. Afterward, it has not been updated. So there is really a kind of a change is required. How this penetration can be further increased, how corporate policies can be further modified. I suggest, after going through my experience and going through all those things, why not anybody can decide loss-based policy? Loss-based. Suppose I have an industry of something around, my turnover is around 15,000 CR. My worth of around 5,000 CR of plant and asset. But I myself have my own judgment. Look, max to max in a year, asset, even trade credit, all those things put together, my loss can be go around something around 10 CR or worst come worst 20 CRs. Come, can you have a quote for my insurance on loss based? You give a choice to the corporate people to fix their losses instead of asking what is your turnover, what is your asset value, this is the insurance I am going to give, reinstatement value, this is the insurance I am going to give. Please, whether it is going to happen or not happen, it is an uncertainty. But if you want to really do made easy and feel free and comfortable, let me fix my loss as a corporate guy. Let me assess my loss because I have my data 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 4 decades. All my corporate data I have. This is my loss. So I want my insurance, anything, everything, including my employee benefit, my marine transit risk, my trade credit, my export, everything put together. This is the quantum. I want insurance for this loss. Quote your premium. It may go 50 crore, 100 crore, 200 crore, 300 crore. Then it is my judgment. Because I am in the business. I am doing my trade. I know how much vulnerable, how much strength I have, how much I am exposed to the risk. So I am the better judge to know my loss. So is there any insurance you have to quote me based on my loss value which I am going to propose? Is it not little bit interesting? Or you all can say, this is not the way insurance will be done. Why not? You want a change? Let you change for this way. Instead of giving some modification, freedom for wordings, coverage, endorsement, terms, you give freedom to cover the proposed loss value based of the corporate customer. Let them decide about it. On that based, depending upon their capacity, depending upon their past data, claim experience data, and their way of culture of the company, and their safety measures, security standards, you decide a premium. So I know this is the loss value I took the policy. So if the loss doesn't occur, it's fine. So let me further, that means I am good. And if it is happens, so I may get benefited out of it. I know very well the NatCat, natural calamity, in which I am going to construct my plant. So I have the data. What is the flood frequency? What is the kind of earthquake frequency? And with that, all that, only I am going to put my loss. So please shift the loss. Instead of you people are quoting the premium based on your whole industry loss of the particular industry and charge me. Instead of that, I am going to give, let me give my loss per year, what I want the premium for it. So you come, you assess and you quote it and I will take it. Will it happen? Let us see how it is going to be turning around in the days to come. Anyway, I want to tell my corporate friends, those who are busy in finalizing the renewals of their corporate insurance policies, is there is nothing is going to be changed in the coming days on or before 1st April 2024. The pricing is always free, keep it in mind. You can better negotiate with your company and you can get a better pricing. They will definitely cover it. So don't expect that much savings can be done by this new IRDAI gazette notification that your price will be definitely going to be reduced. That is not going to be reduced. Still, a negotiation can be taken up. Pricing is always free. It is not under control of IIB. It is an indicative rate. So better negotiate and have better pricing. If you have any information or help, let me know. I am here to help you. So with this, let me conclude this video. Like, share, subscribe. Have a wonderful day, my dears.